a distinguished senator of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Dino Melaye, is sitting on the ground, jumping off a police vehicle. Can you imagine citizens gather in the middle of the street, on the road? A senator is sitting down on the ground. People were gathered, watching, looking at him, injured. He jumped off a police vehicle, a distinguished senator of Nigeria. Hey! A distinguished senator of Nigeria. Federal senator of Nigeria. Sitting down on the ground like a common stupid criminal. What did Dino Melaye do to deserve this embarrassment to the entire country, not to himself? What did he do? Is there no, listen, do we not have due process anymore in Nigeria? What did he do? Can someone please help me? This will make somebody lose his mind. Can someone tell me, what did he do? No due process anymore. No courts anymore. So you can't invite him to come. So there's no due process anymore. Why do we have the National Assembly? Can we please close the National Assembly? Let the executive rule over everything. Let the executive take over everything. There's no need to have National Assembly again in Nigeria. They should not sit again. Okay. Enyinaya Baribe spoke up on the floor. It was Saraki who told him to apologize. He spoke the truth and they descended on him. Everybody saw the video. Of course, you can hear his name. He's an Igbo man and he's a Christian. The next minute around, it was Ekweremadu who was sitting in Saraki's absence. And immediately they came and took the mace. How dare you, stupid, bloody, useless Igbo man, Christian, to come and sit down over us? And they quickly took away the mace. And they put it on Omo Agege and all the rubbish and the lies they told. And today, we have Dino Melaye. Because he stands up and talks about what is happening. Because of whatever it is. Even if Dino is a criminal. Even if Dino is a confirmed criminal, don't we have respect and regard for institutions? Don't we have respect for institutions? Why is this place called a country? This useless, stupid place, why is it called a country? You are a company. What nonsense is this? Take over and close the National Assembly. This embarrassment is too much for Nigerians living anywhere. People will see you outside the country. They look at you when you say you're from here. They get angry. They look at you like an idiot, like you're a fool. These are some of the reasons. Dancing naked in the marketplace. If you are a fool, can't you hide your foolishness a little bit? A distinguished senator of the Federal Republic, you want to do it clandestinely, do it quietly, let it not be shown. Are there no ways to deal with this matter? I've never met Dino in my life. I don't think I've ever seen him. Ask him, he doesn't know who I am. I don't know Dino. Why is this happening? This is too terrible. This is an embarrassment. Nigeria is finished. Look at insecurity everywhere. Look at killings everywhere. Since the past 2-3 weeks, there's not been a day under the sky that there's no killing going on in Benue, in Taraba, everywhere. And people are busy talking about 2019. God Almighty will punish all of you. You will sleep and you will not wake up. Anybody who tries it, let us address the issue in this country. Everything is going wrong. Jesus, come and help your people.